Hello YouTube and friends, we have another air fryer recipe where you see things cooked in the air fryer. This is for Friday's buffalo wings this time. Let's open it up and get started. Alright, so that's what they look like, YouTube. They're frozen. Let's put it in the air fryer basket. Alright YouTube, you can see they're out of the bag. The buffalo style wings, and they're in the basket. So let's go right to the air fryer. Alright YouTube, so you see that? We're going to put it in. And it's 400 for 8 minutes. See you at the 3 or 4 minute mark. Alright YouTube, so it says turn food. So you just want to pop that out and you just want to turn these wings and look what they look like. And then you want to stick them back in. Alright YouTube, I wish you could smell the house right now. Stick it in, let it go for another 3 minutes at the 400. See you at the plate. And there you have it YouTube. There's those buffalo wings. Look how juicy and bright in color they are. Oh my god, they're gonna taste so good. So that's Friday's buffalo style wings, 400 degrees for 8 minutes, and you can enjoy. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll bring you more Friday's recipes and more stuff cooked in the air fryer. Talk to you soon. Dan Soy Cook. Love you. Bye bye.